Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use iOS 18 call recording feature. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to your app store and now search for iCare phone recorder. And now in here click on the second option and install it. Now open the app, and the first step in the app that you will have to do is to purchase the premium subscription. So once that is done, you will have to enter your phone number over here and also give them an SMS verification code. Now your phone number will be registered over here. So if you want to record your outgoing call, just click on the blue button and now click on your number over here. Now once it's connected, on the left click on plus and now add your contact. Now once you end the call, your call recording will be saved over here. Now if you want to learn how to record incoming calls, first you'll have to accept the call. Now go to the home screen and go to the app. Again click on the green button and now click on call, and now it will be recording. Now once the call will be done, the recording of it will be over here. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.